Kini gitu darshan Meghalaya ban kipitiang sabhai pi baro sha kini ketup kubor meta kajan miet. Shoban paj ki kubor ki babnyai pechwai ki mat bukongsan. Don kam ban pen he ke runway Shillong Airport khnang ban pen rung ya ki ling sun ki behe o menteri rangba ka jelau kondet sangma. Minjur ke cabinet ban bu da QR code ban bu din ya ke jengdi ya ki mar da ketenat excise. La penlong ya ke workshop ke besisngi ban kentiu ke jengwat benia ya ki mar po kendo State Convention Center Shillong. Sedang ketenat pen kot tender benjit ya ke jeng ajeng syakri ke bakambiang jongki kali 108 ong ke menteri ketenat ke kot kekiai Dr. Amprin Lingdo. Badli ya kenduk ke kenhun ki registered pharmacist ya ke menteri ketenat ke kot kekiai Dr. Amprin Lingdo. Ki kubor ki babnia. Menteri rangba ke jela u konrad ke sangma hadian ke jing penyat ya ke jing lang jong ke cabinet ke jela ulaong baka runway ha Shillong Airport kadon kamban penhe shu sa sanspa mitar ban yok penrung ya ki leng sun ki bakam he kum ki Airbus A320 bat ki Boeing 737 ki baju don ha ki leng sun kum ka Indigo bat SpiceJet. Kadi ke jumpen he kan ailat ya kiling sun kit brio ki ba ontre kaman kasngi ban hiar ha ka ling sun beladon lupa. Hindre dang don kampat ban yo jungbet shwana ka Directorate General of Civil Aviation but ka Ministry of Civil Aviation.
That we have been able to come out with few options where in the existing airport itself we should be able to extend the runway, which would make it feasible for at least the Airbus A320 and the Boeing 737, which is about 180, 170 seater aircrafts. In layman's term, basically the Indigo flights and the SpiceJet flights that we normally take.
Menteri rangba ke jela konrad ke sangma ula pentip ba ke cabinet jong ke jela kala ajeng menjur ban bu da ke QR code ban bu din ye ki mar ke beladi da ketenat excise kani ke rukom tre betmai kan ayo QR code na ke benta way po way bilor ke ban pensuk ya ke sarkar ban bu din ye ke jeng peniat ye ki mar naduk ke jakabo syaduk kidukan kajeng wan ra ya kani ke teknologi lakmi lenti ban kentiu ya kajeng mi ya kajeng lumpisa ha kajelada san na kasispa hado shipau na kasispa ke cabinet kala menjuru bantung yo ba haimon lang nongplo IPS retired kumud khot non judicial jong ke human rights commission but ya u lieutenant colonel u Sebastian Marbanya retired na kabenta ka kam zila sainik welfare officer na kabenta sansnem
QR code based tracking system for the different products being sold by the excise department, which basically in simple terms will be sold in Meghalaya, is going to have a QR code system, and we are expecting that this will have anything between 5% to 10% of impact on the overall revenue.
Ya ka workshop ka besisngi halor ka jingken tiu ki kam wat benya ya ki mar po kendo la penlong da ka Directorate of Mineral Resources ka sarkar jela State Convention Center Shillong. Habakran hakani ka program Menteri rangba ka jela konrad ke sangma la batai japang ka jing khang ya ka jing ti yo do yong ha usnem 8,000 khat saw bat kedo ba kumno ka ni la kta ka kamai ka ji jing ki spa bat ki hajar teli kilong gieng ha ka jela. Usang mau lapan pau ba wat lada ka jing sumaria kamariang kalong ka bedon kam ka jing khang klem kanu ka jing pen kala ka kta ajur ya ka yo ka kot jong ka jela bat kinong snong jong ka ula pelat ru i geological bat ka mineral map jong ka jela bat ka mineral management and development portal.
There was a immediate ban.
So you can imagine when 2 lakh, 3 lakh families that depend on minings like this are suddenly told that you can't do it. It's a huge economic impact for the state and the people. Whether it's right or wrong is not the question I'm trying to answer. All I'm saying is that can we simply just snatch away the livelihood of the people without giving them, as we call it, just transition? We also need to ensure that with the use of technology and correct methods, we should ensure that we minimize the impact on the ecology.
Ka menteri katanat ka kot ka kiai kong amprin lengdo nen kesengi lai thu ba ka jing ju kinong trai 108 ka dei ka blarim bat katanat kelas dang bat kot tender kanang banji di kinong ai jing sakri ki ba kham yang na ka benta ki kali 108 shu ila ong ba katanat keladap ban penbiang ye ki jing siu kinong trai jong ki 108 ambulance ye ki kam bat ru iki shuti ki ba ki dei ben yo ila ong ba katanat ka don mentah padeng ka jing kot iki tender bat ka kermen bahakan ni ka kenti kan ommi kanu ka jing
I hope that we'll be able to get through this. I hope that we'll be able to select the best 108 service provider. Benefit goes for the public. That I will never lose sight of, and I hope we'll be able to do justice to this. Without all of this, it would be difficult for 108 workers to get their rights as workers in a formal platform like a vendor, vendor providing 108 services to the state. I'm happy that we were able to take that forward and allow them at least minimum rights and privileges.
Ka KSU ne kesengi lai kendo ya ulat ke jelau Chandrasekhar Vijaya Shankar ban pha tuklar ya u halor Henry Likiman padang sateng. Habakranch Club Thai Kubor hadin ke je kendo ya ulat u General Secretary ke KSU uba Donald V Thaba ulai thu bakilabu ningkong ya kamat ban pendrai kami ke inline permit bat ban penrung ke tien KHASI ha ke kernet bapra jong kariti sinshar khadar kari. Kat kum ke jing ngau jong u kilapan pauru badai ban don ke jing pelai bapura ya ke jelana ke Citizenship Act.
Pinalorga inline permit nilai keren ru ya ke jing tak jong ke Citizenship Act ya ke jela ke jungi atai berapa wei. Nomor kembang yu ihi ba ke jela ke jungi beri hingo kirap labun stang lagi ni di POI labun stang ni di beri keduan Bangladesh sedu stam kat dai spa hingo POI kuntar di luar negeri di buan banbuai senong angin ko beri hingo kirap ba nilai babun di caka dibagi trai muluk kelar repat.
Ka Meghalaya College Principals Council hindin kasi kalapan long ke jingelang jongka ka ba shisi and shisne Masinot College. U MP ka Lok Sabha National Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon ulai shimbenta ha kani ka program kongsan kat ba u Commissioner and Secretary bakmi ia katana puliputhi u Vijay Kumar ulalong usumbot kongsan. Ka Meghalaya College Principals Council kalapan ko buramru ia kin riungot ki principal Jongki College ki bla shong thatno bat ru ki college ki bla yo jing itu nakanak. Habakran kategisngi uba singkon ulaong baki principal jengki college kiti kinong pet nong kmi ya ka jing nang jing start baki nong te ya ka pateng ka banwan.
I understand it is no small feat. It requires vision, resilience, and also the ability to inspire not just students, but also the faculty and staff, and at the same time striving for excellence in every aspect of academic and even personality development.
Uba Arden Miller Basayumot, unong yalam jong Voice of People Party ula bu jingkeli kinong yalam jong kiseng sign perthei blayet hu lupa bagaseng kan omla ban sinshar ki election ka ban salong na gabenta ka KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council baka Jainta Hills Autonomous District Council. Habakran ka jingelang patba ka blapen long hapin ursla ban pen pawi ka jing songu ahlor ka jingershan barat ba jong ki patba yu MP ka seng na Shillong u Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon. Unong yalam ka VPP usong scam ba kaseng kanang yo ya kaju ka jengkersan ki patba na kabenta ki election Shaki Council ka Bansalong.
Mentale, Nagalai Pundri constituency, Yacho Adulai Puar constituency. Kabat Peni, Bangil Yo, Yagachingo Shan, Kabat Klein, Hakilai Puar constituency. Ninong Bichu, Yagaching Pentami, Nangi and Anpai, Tunai Fatba on Ibe, Yagachingo Shan, Kabat Klein, Lagalong FTC, Lani Yak MLA election.
Uba Marcus Martin. U Presiden Barim jong kaseng HNYF Northern Region ula syakbe na kaseng halor ka jing keno penkenyi kendon jong kaseng ha ka jing ai jing krench klap thai kubor uba Martin ula pen pawi ka jing skolingo ya ketiga rai wat hadin ka jing treshit hem ka jong u kaseng na du usnam arja shupo ula pen shai bo umdan keno ka jing persyayu nong yalam betmai badu kentu tambat penbet iki blami iki kubor wat hadin ka jing syakbe na kaseng ula pensluriu nong ilang batamai ban paik mat ban kentiu yaki kam jong kaseng
ke baki kentho hengring masuan ban reply hengring ulong ka jingtho ke per berarti jingtho ka per babak labak tidak markatan subunong ngawan ban syah lo juga ke stik bar hadu mentang ngam lawen ya ke jinglong ke jing school HNYF daga mensim marbalai ngalade ban beri usumbai jong kaseng chuna po dong riboy tigini ki sumbai ngaso budong bagi wei tu kini kai ya tau so batiam
ka kinhu juki registered pharmacist hinin kesngi hadin ka jinglap lingba ka RTI bahaduk menta om shimladon kanu ka jing thap kam lingba ki advertisement da ka sarkar na ka benta ki post pharmacist ki balai ka Directorate of Health Services Kumtai lalit bine kedua ika menteri katana kokoi ke kia ban pensngo haka ye ki jikshem ke jongki bat kentu yaka ban le halor kani hakawai pat kaliang ka menteri katana kokoi ke kia Dr. Amprin Lingdo ilaong bakin satau ya ka komiti ka ban salam khamat do commissioner secretary Dr. Joram Beda bat kan ni ka komiti ka sapat halor kini ki mat baro bat kan wat bnia babale ke jing thap kam na ka benta ki te ki pos kam shim tre kam kumpakade
very critical issues which need the attention of the government. So I have therefore decided that we will have a consultation with all of these unemployed pharmacists who feel that government need to listen to some of the valuable suggestions that they're giving us. So I will form some sort of a committee which will be headed by Commissioner Secretary IAS Joram Beda, who will look at all of these concerns and find out why is it that this employment of all these qualified people is not happening as per requirement.
Kumshi bentaman rakhi ka swachhta hi seva campaign 2018 penlong ke tree plantation drive kam awareness program on waste recovery hinin kasngi da district Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin East Giant Hills district halatir ke community hall hagani kasngi ka MLA ka sutranga saipung ka kong Santa Mary Shilla ka laishin benta kum ka kongsan hagani ka program ka kongsan ringkat pat kiwe ki riu pau khmat ki laple ka waste recovery center mereka kamera kelas halatir ke secondary school latir ke hab krench ke patba ke Santa Mary Shilla kala ai ke jinge ro ke nong snong latir ke halor ke jinge trelang ke jong ki ban pendon kam hok ya ke pisa jong ka DMF bat ru balala ban pendep iki arteli ke project ka kinhun ki rang ba snong hapo ka lama jong ka sinjuk ki rang ba snong gari boy district kalai kendu yu deputy commissioner o Abilash Baranwal ban IT ka dorkas ban kentu ban penphai ka civil hospital nongpo ha ka bedai ba ka jing ai jing shakri ki nongpang ha ba krem ka lapathai khubor hadim lawai ka jing lang u general secretary ba PB Silyang ulaong ba ka sinjuk la shim khya bha ha ka bedai ba ka jing ja ha ka ba iwe khlung ila do no ya la ka jong ka jing im ulaong ru bakan ni kam de gasien ka baningkong bat kumta kilawan ra e kani jing e shu DC bat kentu bu unsim kya ya kani hakawi pat ka benta kilai kran ru halor ka jing pen slam ban pentip e ka result jong ki post DSC hakaba DC ula pentikna ban shim kya halor kani mentang ini pek kejeng long jaman ke sembilan hanong ba Shillong kejeng shit kalong khat pra degree Celsius ba kejeng krek kalong 8.0 degree Celsius kejeng ngam kau hau kalong kandai periu na kashis pa akpor minsta bat pra punyo na kashis pa akpor janmet kajeng hap slap kalong san point r milimeter kalak benon kajeng hap slap ka ba malumala ba kajeng tiat upper that haki babon ki jaka shwaban poi jeng bekut jong tuk kpor yang pek biang sesin yaki mat bekong san don kam ban penhe ke runway ha Shillong airport kenang ban penrum kining sun ki behe ong menteri rang ba kejelau konrad ke sangma Menjur ke kabinet ban bu da QR code ban bu dia ni ke jing dia ki mar da katnat excise. La penlong ya ke workshop ke besisni ban kentiu ke jingwat benya ki mar po Kendawa State Convention Centre Shillong. Sedang ketenat ban kot tender ban jiet di kejing ajeng syakri ke bakam biang jungki kali 108 ongga menteri ketenat ke kuat kekiai Dr. Amprin Nengdo. But let you can do ke kenhun ki registered pharmacist ke menteri ketenat ke kuat kekiai Dr. Amprin Nengdo. Tihi perlok ketuin lapos kebukut jang tuk kebor jang yang mentaka janmit. Haduk Malaysia biang pilih syai kesini kublai pi baro.